one more area which I got a very good result is alopecia hair loss. Unbelievable. Nowadays you must have seen so many hair loss clinics and various different techniques, and if you try to analyze, you will know many techniques. They are using something follicle stimulation, pitta pacifying type of treatment, because in Ayurveda, when we are treating hair loss or we are treating the follicles or alopecia, we do pitta pacification. So pitta is the excess heat. Excess heat always loses the hair. So where is I always give this example, why people, those undergoing chemotherapy, they lose the hair, because chemotherapy, all the chemicals, all the medicines, they increase the heat inside the body, and that excess heat, people lose the hair. And then eventually when the chemotherapy stops, while chemotherapy, anything you apply, nothing works. But once chemotherapy is gone, after a month, whatever body is you are applying, you are giving pitta pacification, hair starts coming back. So it's a natural body process. So this is just an example, but overall alopecia has various different reasons, or general hair loss has various different reasons, whether it is a PCOS or hormonal imbalance or stress. We need to find out the root cause behind the hair loss, root cause behind the alopecia. Alopecia, simply people are undergoing stress, grief. Grief is another very good reason, I always say, for alopecia. So it's important because alopecia is autoimmune disorder. So when we are talking about autoimmune disorder, what is autoimmune disorder? Your own cells starts targeting your own good cells. So cellular level intelligence is perverted. So here when we are trying to treat alopecia, what is the root cause? So we try to increase the patient's awareness, intelligence, take the person away from that sad and grief situation or stressful situation. It's a very simple way. I have an extreme very good patient story which I always tell people, like 2 years old, I do have that on the email, different pictures before and after, and beautiful testimonial of that Chinese patient, 2 years old girl, had extreme level of alopecia, all the eyebrow hair, everything gone, whole body was completely zero hair. And the specialist in Remuera, they'd given a very big diagnosis, and the mother was completely stressed. She was pregnant, and she said everything was okay until 5 months back. Moment I got this pregnancy here, this baby is this and that. I'll give you this example. Why? Because how the emotions plays very big role. This child was, moment the mother got pregnant, she left breastfeeding for this baby. She kept that baby away from the bedroom. She created the baby's separate bedroom. And the parents started creating another nursery for the upcoming baby. And this child was kept 4 hours every day away to the baby care place. Everything suddenly. Imagine this 3-4 months what the baby has gone through. And when I told the parents, what are the changes you have done in the 4 months? Tell me. In his life. This was the history. I said, now you need to do totally opposite. 2 years old baby, we cannot give medicine. I said, I can only give you something to pacify the heat on this thing and apply something pitta pacifying externally for the baby. 2 years old baby, I don't give herbs. You believe me, all these emotional factors which I trained the parents that you got another 4 months for this other baby to come out. Use this every day, every minute for this unwinding what mistakes you have done. Give the baby cuddle, give the baby 24 hours love, and do not ever give the importance here when this baby is there. So you need to create the different environment, Anything what this baby is asking, you need to spoil him with the love and care. Within, I think, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, we started seeing the color change in the scalp, because the scalp had become like this. We started seeing some hardness, something here. We started seeing something here. The mother was in the tears. 6th, 7th week, she gave me pictures. She said, "Oh my God, something changing." And I think 8th week or something, we saw that black. We got that. Eyebrow came back. Everything was so different. We had tears because this was a Chinese patient. I had a big, because she had no option. They said this is this and this is that. And I said, you have this option, let's try this. It worked. So alopecia definitely has, when we say autoimmune disorder, I think autoimmune disorder definitely has lots of connection with the emotions, grief, sadness. In Ayurveda, we do give lots of importance in these areas. So that's the way we treat, not only with the herbs, medicine, but also look at the various different factors, So this alopecia, yeah. So that was the baby's example. Baby is definitely a very good example in alopecia, but various different breakups, the adult people I have seen, so they always have a various different, even if the parent, one of the parent expires, then how the child gets into. So that's various cases I have seen with the alopecia. For that reason, when the parents are separating, that scenario also I have seen. That baby was, I still remember her mom's name. The baby was 4 years old when they were undergoing a tremendous husband-wife issues. Baby started developing alopecia. That's another one case. So yeah, so alopecia, we will say good connection with the emotional factor along with different, because in allopathy there are various types of alopecia. So we need to rule out the fungal infections and other factors, and then find out the root cause and start treating alopecia wisely, get a very good results.